All right, students, here we go. We have the crying pan lid. Okay, there we go. We got the original price of a new moped was $1,200. You were able to buy it for 30% off. What did you spend? Well, really quick, students. If it's 30% off, that means you spent 70%. That's the amount of money that came out of your pocket. So we have ourselves a percent problem. So there's two ways to do word story problems with percents, word story problems. Story problems have words. Percent problems with words in them. You do the new thing over the old thing. That's also going to be equal to the percent of 100 or the part over the total, or also the original, I guess you could also say. So that was the original price. So if I'm going to set up my percent problem, the original price was $1,200, and that was 100% of the original price is always 100%, by the way. Original price is always 100%. Now I want to figure out what came out of my pocket. Oh, that's right. 70% came out of my pocket. I don't really need the percent symbols in there. Sorry, it's too late. I can't go back. All right, cross, multiply, divide. Let's find 70% of the 1,200. So a shortcut here in a second I'll show you. 70 times 1,200 divided by 100. $840 is what you spent on that moped. Okay. All right, so a quick version of this is anytime you want to figure out how much you spend, you find the percent you spent, and you just take it times the original. Now make sure you use the decimal disc. So this is the ultimate shortcut of figuring out what comes out of your wallet. You take how much you actually spend as a decimal, and you take it times the original. So if you're actually going to spend 70%, you would take 70% times the original. Okay, again, this is the fastest shortcut to figure out what comes out of your wallet. So what would you do? Well, 0.7 times 1,200. This is the ultimate fastest shortcut. This will never fail you. Okay, these percent proportions will never fail you, but if you want to do them a bit more efficiently, why not learn how to do it that way? 0.7 times 1,200. Boom. Instant calculation. Other math teachers would make you do this. They'd have you find the 30%. Oops. 0.3 times 1,200. Oh, you save 360, so then you go original price minus what you save is what you spend. I like to skip all that and go right to figuring out what comes out of my wallet. All right, so that is the crying pan lid.